welcome to part 2 of this video of this unit by Sunber hair. Like I said, I'm going to have all the details on this hair in the description box below. And before anyone wants to comment in the comment section, Kaela, didn't you wear a blue jean shirt in the last unit that you did? I did, but it's not this shirt because this is a whole nother shirt. So check out the details on this shirt. I just thought it was cute. It just happens to be blue jean, but it's not the same as the last one. So anyway, anywho, I wanted to show you guys my new flat iron. I already showcased it on another video with the other wig that I had reviewed. And this is by Chi, and it was gifted to me, and it's marble. Like, I can't wait to take this back to school. I just love getting like little cute stuff because then it just looks good with everything. Like, it'll just match all the decor in my room. So my mom literally cannot call me like, Kaela, why do you have your flat iron out on your desk? Like, it doesn't, it makes everything look messy. No, it doesn't. You know why? Because it matches. But yeah, so check out the gold plating on it. It has a really, really long cord, and the thing I really liked about this flat iron is the fact that it came with a pad for you to set the hot tool on. Because especially if I'm going to be in my dorm and I'm going to be flat ironing my hair like around my desk with my textbooks and stuff, like at least I'll have this to lay it on, you know, and not my actual textbook, because that's dangerous. Don't do that. Just don't do that. But yeah, so this bad boy can go all the way up to 410 degrees. But for the texture of this hair, like I keep it in between like 360 to like around 400. Like I don't want to put it on the highest heat setting. I just feel like that's just not necessary. And it heats up really, really fast. So let me go ahead and wipe these little plates off before it get real hot. And I'm going to do some flat iron curls and show you guys how I'm going to be using this flat iron in this video. Also, by the way, I also got some Chi hairspray and some iron guard. So same thing as heat protectant spray. So yeah, I'm going to be using all 3 of these products. I mean, yeah, is this the product too? 3. All 3 of the products. So yeah, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so I wanted to come on here and kind of explain it a little bit more in detail, just in case if you're not a visual learner, then me explaining it might help a little bit. So of course I'm going to pin this section up and work in sections. The smaller the section, the better the curl will come out. And so what I'm going to do is take the Chi flat iron and I'm going to run it through one time just to get that wave pattern out that I had going on. And then I'm going to take that same section again and I'm going to wrap the piece of hair up, turn the barrel one time and then 2 times, and then that one piece of hair should be out, sticking just like that. And then I just run it down kind of slowly just so the heat can be evenly, you know, distributed, and then boom, that's literally all I do. And the curl comes out just like this. And then I kind of like to scrunch it, you know, to let it cool off and hold that curl. And then I'm just going to repeat the same thing. So again, run it through one time, place the flat iron up there again, flip the hair up, turn the barrel 2 times, and then that piece of hair should be sticking out just like that. So it's kind of easy, you know, when I explain it rather than you just watching. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to show you guys the difference that you have to do on the other side, because you don't want to flip the barrel the same way on the other side, or else it's going to be facing the opposite way. So basically I'm turning the curls away from my face on this side. Okay, now moving on to the other side. So again, one pass through one time. And the difference on this side is instead of me going up, I'm going to be going under the barrel. So just like this. You see how I tried to go up? Don't do that. You want to go the opposite way. So go under it, turn the barrel 2 times, and that piece of hair should be sticking out. And that's literally how you do flat iron curls. And then you want to make sure you go slow. Like I said, you don't want to go too fast because then the curl won't come out as pretty. So just go slowly and your curl will be like a little spiral curl. But of course, I didn't want my curls to be tight in this video. I am going to comb through with my fingers. It just gives it that nice, you know, body wave type pattern. Alright guys, so I am done curling my hair. This is how it's looking in front. And I'm just going to get up close and show you guys the actual part and what I'm working with. For the most part, as far as like kind of defining the part a little bit, I just take a little foundation on a brush and kind of like just dab it in and then like tap it and press it in. But the foundation is like already in the inside of it. Like I've already like, you know, smeared it on there so it would look like my scalp color. Because I don't do the whole bleaching thing. But if you guys want to watch the video on how I sewed the elastic band on this to hold it down really, really flat, that will be at the end of this video on the end screen. But yeah, this is how it's looking. So I also wanted to mention that Chi flat iron has a 1 hour auto off thing with it. So after an hour it's going to shut off. So if you're flat ironing your real natural hair, you're probably gonna have to turn it back on, because I know whenever I flat iron my real hair, it takes me like 2 to 3 hours. But it's just a cool safety feature that's on it. And I remember going into Target the other day, and this is in Target as well. So I know Ulta sells cheap products, and now Target sells cheap products. So definitely get this flat iron. Like, it's so cute. Like, I wish the camera would pick up on the marble. Like, let's see if I turn the brightness down, you guys can see it. But yeah, it's just so cute, and I really, really like it. And it's small, compact, and convenient. So also, when I was talking about the little mat pad, why not just say mat pad? Heat pad. When you're done with the flat iron, you know, you just roll this around it, and then it has a little Velcro thingy on it. Where is the oh, there it is. So you just wrap it around like so, of course with the cord in it, and then you can store it away, but it can be more neat than this. But other than that, I am done. I'm going to show you guys the side profile of this and the back. Let me know what you guys think about this. Am I getting better? I hope I am. This was a closure, by the way, and it is Sunber hair. Once again, all the details will be in the description box below, and I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye.